Rodent exclusion in new home construction starts with treating every penetration and gap as a potential doorway for mice and rats. Begin by planning exclusion at the framing stage rather than waiting until finishing. Inspect all utility penetrations, including plumbing, electrical, and HVAC, and leave no gap larger than 1/4 inch unsecured because rodents can squeeze through surprisingly small openings. Use steel wool packed tightly into cavities, followed by a bead of high-quality exterior sealant to stop chewing and provide a durable barrier. Install hardware cloth with a 1/16 inch to 1/8 inch mesh over larger openings and secure it with corrosion-resistant fasteners to the framing so it cannot be pushed aside. Apply metal flashing or metal collars around pipe and conduit penetrations where they pass through exterior walls and floor plates so the soft wood edges are not exposed. For foundations, use poured concrete or concrete block with a metal skirting or rodent-proof skirt attached at the slab edge to prevent underslab entry and to make burrowing ineffective. Fit door bottoms with adjustable door sweeps and install tight-fitting vents with screened collars. For HVAC and plumbing, use stainless steel or copper mesh that will not rust, and place temporary perimeter traps during late construction stages to intercept any rodents already on site. Common mistakes include relying on caulk alone, which rodents can chew through, so always pair soft sealants with a mechanical barrier like tightly packed steel, wool, or metal mesh. Another frequent issue is leaving gaps around utilities where installers assume the finishing trades will seal them, so enforce a checklist at rough-in inspections and assign responsibility for sealing each penetration immediately. A third error is using plastic or foam plugs at the foundation or vent openings because those materials degrade. Replace them with metal flashing, stainless steel mesh, or concrete skirting, and verify vents have overlapping skirts and fine mesh screens. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors experienced with rodent exclusion and new construction techniques, and we make it easy for contractors to find work specific to exclusion and pest-resistant builds. We also host a discussion community where builders, plumbers, electricians, and homeowners exchange field-tested tips and coordinate timing so exclusion measures are completed at the right construction phase.